Right, 1986 BMW K75 oil pressure switch change or removal is located just there. Pull that plastic cover off and the electric plug just pulls off like that. I'm changing this because I think it's leaking. It's just there and it's undone with a deep socket, and it's the size is 24mm. So it's a 24mm deep socket. I'll just see if I can rest that camera up on there. And they're not done up too tight. And it's a simple, but I'd ideally put a bit of cardboard underneath, because you will get a little bit of leakage. And once you've loosened it, just gently undo it. You will get a bit of leakage probably. And once it's hand tight, just a bit of leakage out of there, and that's it. And the new one basically just screws straight in. I've lost it. What have I done with it? Cut this bit out. What have I done with it? There it is. This is from BMW Motorworks. I'll put the link in the description. It comes with a washer, and basically it just screws back in to the place. Do it up hand tight first, and then it just nips up. Right. Then you just nip it up with your 24mm deep socket. And that's it. The wire just pushes straight back on there. Get down here. Plug just goes straight back on. A bit of a loose fit, to be honest, and then actually just feed that into there a little bit. As you can see, it's been well leaking. And that just pushes on there like that, and then you just pop the cover back on to stop any dirt to get into it, like that. And that is how you change. That is how you change the oil pressure switch on an 86 K75. I presume the others are the same. And then just fire it up and check for leaks.